Hey, welcome back. So before moving forward, writing our JavaScript code, I just wanted to discuss about the MDN, the Mozilla Developer Network. Okay, so it is by the Mozilla company which develops the Firefox browser. So this is a great resource for learning JavaScript, and it is the closest thing which you will find as a documentation for JavaScript. Okay, so as you can see, resources for developers by developers, documenting CSS, HTML, and JavaScript since 2005. So you can click on this JavaScript link and you will get to this one. Okay, and for example, you want something like you want to learn about classes. So let's click on that, and as you can see, there is a bunch of things which is here. Okay, so I will not go into the classes right now, but you get the idea. So whenever you want to learn about something or recap something, what you can do, you can just type, for example, you want to recap about the arrays. So JavaScript arrays MDN, and then the MDN website will show up inside of the Google, and you can check that out. Okay. In this video, I will be highly following this particular resource, the Mozilla Developer Network for the JavaScript. Okay. So for example, this constructor and so on and so forth, I will be highly following this one. Okay. And I will highly recommend you to go to the MDN website, and whenever you are stuck, then you just go to Google, search for your topic and search for the MDN website. Okay. I hope that makes sense. So this is a really great resource to learn about JavaScript.